My dear students, how are you? I'm fine. Hope you are also very fine. Okay. Today we will learn something, try to learn something. In our second term syllabus, adjectives is included. So today we will learn about something adjectives. Adjectives. Okay, first of all, tell me what is an adjective? Adjective is a parts of speech. Yes, very good. But first of all, an adjective is a word, is a describing word that describes a noun or a pronoun. That means a noun or a pronoun is described by an adjective. Okay. There is a sentence, you can see it. In the long days of hot summer season, I drink cold water, fresh food and tasty juice, so I do not feel tired. This is a sentence. There are two sentences. Okay, so in the long days, how are the days? The days are very long, so long days. And hot summer season, how is summer? Summer is very hot, full of a lot of sunshine, so hot summer. And what do I do in this summer season? I drink cold water. I drink cold water and fresh food. How is my food? My food is very fresh. We should take fresh food, and fresh food is very much essential for our good health. So fresh food and tasty juice. How is the juice? The juice, my juice is very tasty. So I do not feel tired. I do not feel tired. Tired is also an adjective. It is describing one of my quality. That means I means myself, my quality. So these adjectives Page 13, exercise A. First of all, read the question. Exercise A, read the question. Pick out the adjectives and the nouns or pronouns they qualify from the following sentences. One has been done for you. So the question is, you will read the sentence very carefully for 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, and then you will pick out the adjectives and the qualifying noun or the pronoun. Otherwise we will not pick out other nouns. Okay, so number 1, a gentle breeze blew over the lake. The gentle breeze blew over the lake. How was the breeze? The breeze was very gentle. So our answer will be gentle, adjective, breeze, noun. Okay. Now come to page number 14, next page. Page exercise number 2. Raja dived into the cool waters of the pool. How is the water of the pool? The water is cool. So cool is adjective and water is noun. Students, remember, we will not pick out other nouns or pronouns from the sentence which are not qualified or described by the adjectives. As for example, in the sentence number 2, Raja and pool will not be mentioned in our answer script because Raja and pool are not the describing words or the words described by the adjective. So we will not pick out Raja or pool. Okay, now I will write one sentence on the board. Number 5. I will write it on the board. Okay, number 5. They were tired and hungry after the long journey. Our sentence is, they were tired after the long journey. Number 5. Tired and hungry. Adjective. And who were tired? They were tired. So they not noun, pronoun. They is a pronoun. Okay. When they were tired after the long journey. So long is adjective. Long is adjective and journey noun. Now come to another example, another sentence, 10 number sentence. At a loud roar from the lion, the animals fled. That means after hearing the loud scream, the loud shout from the lion, the animals were afraid. They went away. So loud roar is our main focus. So loud, adjective, and roar, noun. You may ask, Miss, roar is a verb. Okay, you are right. Roar is a verb, but in this sentence, roar is a noun. Now the question is, how will we differentiate between a noun and a verb in the case of roar? When I will say the lion roars, that means the subject, our noun, is doing something. The lion is doing something. The lion is roaring. The lion roars. It will be verb. exercise C. Okay, so we have to memorize or learn about the three forms of an adjective. Adjective is a special kind of parts of speech which has three different forms. So, three different forms. First one is positive, then comparative, last one is superlative. Superlative. Okay. Positive, comparative, superlative. We will write a word and then we will change the word, we will convert the word, we will turn this word into another two different forms. As for example, this is a pencil, you can see in my hand. So this is a short pencil. This is a short pencil. And there is another pencil. And now I am comparing these two pencils. Short, shorter. This one is shorter. Shorter. Last one will be this. So if we compare these three pencils, shortest, shorter, and last short, short, shorter, shortest. Now look at the picture. Students, you can see there is a picture behind me. This picture is a very nice picture. There are so many boats and you can see this is a boat. This is a big boat. In this picture it is small, but it is a really, in our real life, it is a big boat. So big boat, and then this one is bigger. Comparing these two boats, this is bigger, and comparing three boats, this one is the biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Now I have some toys for you. Okay, this is a lovely card, nice card, toy card. Okay, this card is lovely, and this another one. Which one is lovelier? This one. This one is lovelier. And if we compare with a new card, it will be loveliest. This one was lovelier, and now this one is loveliest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Now okay. Now another example. You can see in this text calendar there are so many pictures. This is a beautiful picture, and this one is more beautiful. This is beautiful and this one is more beautiful. But I think you will agree with me, all of you will agree with me, this one is the most beautiful picture. This one is the most beautiful picture. So colorful pictures. So we can write beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now you may ask that, Miss, how will we write the other forms? This word is very easy. We always, every day, we use these words: lovely, big, short, wise, rich, poor, kind. But how will we spell the comparative form, or how will we write? Always, every day, we use these words: lovely, big, short, wise, rich, poor, kind. But how will we spell the comparative form, or how will we write the correct spelling of these superlative forms? Okay, I have a better solution for you. Okay, look at the board. I have written, there are 3 rules to convert these positive words to comparative or superlative words. Look at short or big. So short or big, if the word is in one syllable, that means there is no break in your pronunciation. No break in your pronunciation. Monosyllable word, short or big, then you will just add er with the positive word, monosyllable. Then we will make it comparative, shorter, short, shorter. Then if the monosyllable word er comparative, then we will turn it, convert it superlative by adding est. By adding est, we can make it superlative, shortest, short, shorter, shortest, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, now come to rule number 2. Rule number 2, lovely. There are some words which have an ending y. That means at the end of this word there is, the last letter is y. Happy, easy, then lovely. So we will just drop the last letter, the last y, last letter y. We will just cut it or drop the letter and then write, or the add IER. Drop the letter and then add IER, and it will be comparative. And if we drop the last letter and add IEST, it will be superlative. Easy? Lovely, Y vanish, IER, lovelier, and lovelier, Y vanish, IEST, loveliest. Now come to beautiful. Beautiful is a word, important is a word, expensive is a word which has 3 syllables. That means 3 pause in your pronunciation. So we will add an extra word, more or most, at the before of this word. More beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. There are another different rule. As for example, the rule is known as exceptional rule. Some words are converted into comparative or superlative form by using a new different word. As for example, good. How will we write the positive form of good, comparative form of good, and superlative form of good? Okay, good will be better, and superlative form will be best. This is exceptional. And the same rule will be applied for bad, worse, and superlative form will be worst. In this way, page number 17, you will solve exercise C and exercise D also. Blank space is given in your geometry book and you will write in your geometry book, and very soon you will find an important document regarding this chapter, that means adjectives, in BLS website. Thank you for watching and stay home, be happy and safe. Now it is most important for all of us to stay at home and pray for everyone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.